Once again, we are here dancing for you, Dance Tour, free one and move of the week here at Encore Performers Dance Studios in Chantilly, Virginia. I got the talented, who is it? Miss Lauren. If you didn't know that, shame on you. Her and I are going to show you a very cool move. Now, I've taught this before, but it's been quite a while since then. Doesn't matter. Show it to you again. You may have not seen it before. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole way through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Okay? There's a lot going on there. We're going to make it as easy, smooth for you guys to pick up. You can watch it as many times as you want. It's free to learn. How it begins though, sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, switch hands, right to right, okay? Bring her through onto the left side of the track, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's on her right, I'm on my left. So guys, cross over, let's go this way, and back. Pull her through, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm raising my right, which is her right to get it over my head. But from there, I'm picking up her left shoulder. We're going to go this way so you can show you. We're going to get to 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you hear from the hand, we're going to go 5, 6. Because what I want to do is make her do a rock step. So I got to step through, cross over, reach out my left to the back of her shoulder. So going this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm already connecting on 4. Now I go this hand. And we go 5, 6. All right, so I'm on my left, rocking her forward up to her right foot. So that's difficult. Sometimes ladies want to triple that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. We're going to stay right there. Lauren's on her right, I'm on my left. You're going to pull her forward and make her do a half turn to her right. Triple step, pulling her up on her left foot. I'm doing my footwork on the right side. Then we're going to make her do a half turn back the other way. Triple, make her turn continually the whole way through. So there's a little mini ocho there in between, but all that is happening all at once. Whole way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock, step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Now we're going to show you with the other view so you can see how I'm doing with my hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn her to the left. And one thing about my hand is I'm using it in the middle of her back. Because if I don't do that, it's really going to be very difficult for her to leave. So let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to stop right there. Take your right hand, guys, middle of her back. Give her nice push. Just send it back the other way. Guys, do your footwork on the side. But she's doing that ocho out of basically your way. Whole way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn her left. She keeps going left. She's done. It's a cool move. Now, it does take time to learn, but that's why we put it in video form. Take time learning it. You have as many choices and many times you have to watch it. It's free. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it. What's Miss Lauren do? I don't know.
Thank you so much, Tim. So my company name is Dancing with Markers. I'm a facilitator. I facilitate using visuals. And I do this both in person and online. So if you're suffering from a boring Zoom meeting, please reach out. I promise I can make your meetings more productive and more fun. And I'd be happy to work with you.
I'm going to put all of her information into the description box. Please look her up, check her out. Hopefully she can provide some sort of help to your business and way of life. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe, it's free. Thumbs up, it's free. All we're doing for you is to try to make you a better dancer. That's why I get up every day. Till next time, have a great weekend as always.
Keep dancing.